This is a bull bumper. No, this is fine. This is a big bull bumper.
Senior Superintendent of Police Kyrpad hadian ke Jingtalasi kali bat ki VDP hinin kamiet hagashnong Q9 ula Kyrpad iki padba ki baju semua tenan ban pendan kami ki social media kum ke Facebook Instagram bat kum ta tertel bakin pha iki jing ai Jingmut jong ki shiki pulet Kyrpad kum nu baki pulet kindang la bantre bat ban pinjana ya ke jing shakri shiki padba bat Kyrpad ru ba ke jing ai Jingmut ni ke jing kin tho ki di ban long ki badan Jingmut bat ki batay ya ke imlang kersalang namar kum ki pulen ki shimkhyai ki jing ai jingmon jong ki patba hakirin san social media banyat rilang bat ban pinlong ya ke ni ke district ke beitenan bat ke jila Meghalaya baro kawai kum kerjaka ke balai ni ki Kam Sniew kasme bat ki patba kila banyat banyeng hapdeng ke jing kemen nadu ki khilong khna klem kono kono ke jing sir La Ruben Kdo Hangni baki pulit Kyrpad ha ke jingalam Senior Superintendent of Police Kyrpad UVS Rathor lembat uba Orville Masar Additional SP ringkat ke jisno aktilang ki VDP ke snong Q9 hanin gamiet kila Talasi kali sa ke snong Q9 ke bade ke jaka majujia kha kha ki accident bat kani ke sinjam bala shim ki pulit ke long shisha ke jingjop hadin ke jingja accident kila yar asud Kyrpad ha benujor bat ki khindiat banai bala lek watla kidang don ki bangan ha ka kuna kum kinong pen khen ai ulo ongru babon ki padba kilas dang ban kli ban wat jingtem tang shupoi kapor janmit la ki pulit ki Talasi kali ne em bat kani gadi ke khubor babha hukum ki padba kilas dang ban long adkar banum le kulmar habanya akali khamtam ki jingdi buan kabawan ra shibun ki jingja basngosi namal ke jingmi surok ki pulit ban Talasi kali kamdei ke jingpen thodi ki padba balet bawan henre gade ke jinghi kai ba ki padba ki dei man smotho hakawai pat kalyang USSP Kyrpad ulo ongru bakum ki pulit officer kilayo shibun ke jingero ne ki padba henre ki donru ki nong tre bashalendat nadu ki pulit langren ki bayang bat miet batsngi hasurong ki balong ki hero banyarap ki officer namal lada klemaki kani ka thong kam urlong kumta ki don kam banyo ke jingero ula benram
Penon kam dan kami ban penon kam de kani ka beneng da biang da shai ka dum makana ka shai da beneng unnecessary shit like kai gini good hey
वो तो है सर ये हो गया
mama ada di formo sai bi mama sai hey itu pokok biasa Mau saya beli 8,000. 8,000 lalu kan 9,000. Bull bumper. No, this is fine. This is a big bull bumper. Hi, Nalor. This is the guy. This is the guy. What a guy. 10,000 होगा तो pollution plate 10,000 होगा 2,000 Alteration 5,000 17,000 और क्या पहले देखो हाँ सर किराए की वीडियो खुला वाला है
इधर सर पति ये है जना तो
VDP juga senang kuinan ni berawai ngi dap dari jing smo kemen hadu takta namar bagi yadon bentalang baca police department namar nakapor ngin ju song thai ban ya duty pok senang jongi namar bagi pe jenang ta ka bha kamyat ka sung ngan senang di berawai bat kunju di para ki senang pramajan den roi bangi don bade ringkat hasda ki tailang bade baka police department bade ngi su ngai han le mentang kambiet bade ngi lagi jong ki kemat isaki ba ngidon bentalang ha kani bagi checking ki kali ke ni sibon ba jing tuna ye ki kali mo ki ba kiu ki bayan kumbala ban biang mena ka ngelai lagi jong ki keman ba ki bun ki brio ki besong ba kali buan rei ki bade ban pendon kam use seat belt andai tak use seat belt rukim tip ban pendon kam mo te bun ngin hab hi ban kam tam gidon ki kan thai ngin hab ban lej mangi ban pendang use seat belt dia kata kaya dah mo na Jingmut sao lan dia nak melak biang kam kali mo andai la tangi ni pendon kam yung seatbelt ba dia long katu long ka safety nak benta ke jungi dengan kentu kan nak benta ki pat ba juro nak benta ki ba ki banyak kali ki driver sumpah ke long ba ha banyak kali sumpah wat num pendon kam kenya ki jingdi ba penbuan maka wan ra ke Jingmut sao dia mendai tangya ki driver kam tam ki wei du mo de kam tam bangi ru ha ki bayat bayang kuntu la da ki driver ki buat ki num tip show ke Jingmut sao jingyap ka jab ada nak ta ki bom tip ha bayat lenti lan ni kum ta termo de ngi kuntu ken nak benta ki pat ba ki ba syong kali ki driver kam tam nang ta ki bakin bud lam ya ka rule ka an ba ka ik maka sarkar ka government ka pilihan de kam tam kini ki don menen la yo bat kumi ki don ki long kumi ki don ki rang baru mo ki syong scooty ndai ki helmet ki kelem pendon kamru te nang ta bande ka da jak Jingmut sao bande mano bejenjar mo te nang ta bande ki don ru ki kali bande ha bangi pej mentangi saki lagi jong ki keman bangi don lang mentang miet ki don ki kali ba ki pendon kam lagi tu ki LED light ki ba Nalor ba ka company la ai gitu ki light ande ki dang pendon kam long bu tam sadala dia mo idon segi light bani ki ba long ki krip gitu ka ba pen thabai ki wei bada te kum gitu ro kemut ngi sa ekran ni nak puat ni mentangi saki ba mentang idon lang hang ne ba naga liang police department kila kila te stom shisha te naga liang jungi ke BDP jong ke snong punai ni ipen pa jing sumu nang ta ya ka police department ko jing penia ji sa SP bangi la don benta lang kan ya te
isu BDP na ni ko snong pinai nang lado i suwan ai kublai ai police officer jokari boy na do SP additional SP i charge to fake ko jo osi jo nong po branch ngai kublai ki observer fa jokari boy ki bala ya simbenta nam ta ban ya checking ki kali hari dan dia makum ju ai kublai ki members lagi ki BDP kalau kita kilong kimi ki samla kirang ba mo bagi dan bentalang ki members ki BDP ai kublai lang ki de na kaliang jongi ni sngo kia habang yu shibun ki KHUBOR ba ki jingja ki accident lengba ki ka sorok ba mo mar ka stong jongi ka dan kawai na ki dai ka wai na kisnang ki ba dan hang ni apo pedeng badan kini ki sorok ba namar ba janman kapor isu ki accident mana kini tayo belada pemang ba ketika bolero ba ki ketorok ba senani hajan di sisang sukia habang ba bun ki musim brio ki duno bat haba iwat jinte pat kadai kada ba bun ki ba accident ki bayap ki ba mesau kadai ba hadian ba ladi kiat te hadian bangi lagi ba jingwan jongi mo isa ASP baga tim hi jongi police officer jongkari boy kila sedang ban checking ban bat ki kali bangi mentah pedeng alai tio la dona ba ka accident tengiru kum ka snong hi kum ki VDP na po snong ni sukia tengi dan bentalang akan kasngi na ka menta ka jingba ka jingmutoi jong ka imlang salang hi bala khoi te ka jing na kalian jongi ki VDP ngi Kyrpad ki pat ba kamtam me ki driver ba umdeye ba kinsange kadikiat tang haba dan checking rengi Kyrpad pi ba subha haba dikiat haba kinya kali panam dikiat hoi kibun kirang ba ki bala jumlien bandi mo imla ban khang tang ba thiet ra ban dai pla po hieng set kali sadi no kan inde ba kindi halenti ba da ka jingdi ju pi halenti pi ang andi tang khendiat andai khendiat kan ba pinde po hieng la ja pa ka jingja ba susi andai ka jingja susi kalang ba ba susi shu inde ba pi mesau tang pi badi andai ka pen mesau pa di ki we ka bam tip ai te na kaliang ga jong ni Kyrpad ki pat ba subha ban long pikir haba kinya kali kumene mo kibun kiba gilap ha ka jenglap jongi haba kidan lang bagi police checking gilap kidan kiba ting wat banyak baj bat mobile telada kinya ka baj kinya kali kibat mobile kumtu kipai mobile ada accident ke ban jai kitu ki passenger dan ni kiba dan lang hajan nang ta ka kum ka awareness mo bangilap mane kibun hi kipai ba kimju penan kam wat yusid bel tena kaliang jungi habang yoi kumtu long ikentu lang kipai ba kadai ke jingmutoi jong pi pat ba lada jai lada kebrik kan ne accident kemat ba menu mesau pi ba syong kali te ban light na jing mesau subham penangkam lam isbel ne wat nam dikiat ne wat penangkam ik mobile mo te kata hai na kalian jongi
But ni nakalian jungi ni ai ru kata ka yumo ba ni nang don benta be nang ni sakman nakam ta ka jingpha jong ka imlang salang ni nang pet ngori ka snong ka thau kamtam ni isibun ke jingja ke ba ja ki breo ke ja ki khna kaleng kari khasi de nakalian jungi VDP ni don benta ban ya duty ka snong man pe snong ka thau kamtam khapol man miet mo de nga ai kulei kilong kimi ba ki member jing VDP jungi ki bon kilong kimi ki simkhia ke ne kam de nakalian jungi habede baka sok san bat ka imsuk imsan ban lai dengan nu jingma jing sao de ngiklai ban IT mo ban nakamta ka snong ka thau bangin mi bangin dan beta wala kalong mensi la ne min ngiklai ban dan beta lang kita
where we have been doing this traffic safety drive for last almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and today the checking is being done with our VDP friends here from Quinine Nonglado. So we all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also, few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VTP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing, and the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP Ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends, as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, will be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child, or maybe stalking a child, or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So it's a consistent drive. Primary objective is to stop road traffic accidents, and the data is very encouraging. People have been very supportive of this drive, and in last 2 weeks roughly, we have hardly seen any accident happening on the roads, which was not the case in last few months. So this is giving us results, so we are further emboldened to work harder, and we keep on changing our venue. Today we are at Quinine because this is one of the hotspots where most of the traffic accidents have been reported from. There are similar hotspots in other parts of the highway, like Shang Bangla is one of the spots, Umling is another spot. So we'll be changing our location as well as timing of the checking, so that that element of unpredictability remains. And some people, now we are getting reports that people ask that whether there is a checking going on in Ribhoi. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. We are not harassing anyone. Its whole thing is aimed at saving lives. So it's a noble cause, and we are fully energized. The whole team is here. One point I would like to say, that we as officers, we get all the attention, the optics, the social media, but actual heroes are behind us. These are the people, the constabulary, the head constables, the Nayaks, Lance Nayak. They often go unreported. Without them, officers can't do anything. So they are the actual heroes behind the success of this drive. They have been standing on road not only during these special drives, right from the morning around 7:30 a.m. they are on the roads,
manning the traffic points so that our children can go to school safely. So the credit goes to them as well. They have been absolutely amazing, and it's the constabulary who keeps the police force running. So my message through this media bite is also that uh, the constabulary who are the real heroes in this whole crime prevention and crime control scheme, they should also be duly recognized. At the same time, our VDP friends today, we have from Quinine Nonglado. I would like to request them also to say something, what they feel about how the police can improve further, and we'll be welcoming those suggestions and ideas and work upon them. So we would like to thank our VDP friends here. They have been standing with us since around 5 p.m. today. It's already almost 10. So last 5 hours they have been working with us. So we thank them from the bottom of our hearts. And at the same time, I appeal to all our friends who are engaging with us on social media platforms, various platforms. Give us suggestions to further improve any aspect of policing which you feel should be improved. And constructive criticism is also welcome. We take your comments very seriously. We work on them. Some comments can be implemented immediately. Some comments are policy level decisions, so it takes some time. But rest assured, we go through each and every comment you post on our social media platforms, various media channels and all, and we work on it. So ultimately, let us collaborate and work together to make this district and this beautiful state as crime free as possible, so that our children can go to school freely, they can enjoy their life freely without being scared or anything like that. So thank you so much again to our VDP friends. Thank you.